Hi guys, welcome to this very quick review about this 3-in-1 fast wireless charger from QTlier. These are the specs here. Hope you can see that it's listed currently on Amazon for around $35, and it's pretty interesting device. Here I have it attached to this USB power source. That's actually a pretty powerful one, but you get also one in the packaging here. That's 3 amp, you can see, and it has even some quick charge capabilities. Probably you can increase the charge speed or charge power with this thing. I mean, here I have only 5 volts, but I wanted to show you that it's really charging fast. So here I have a wireless charging phone. I just put it flat here on top of the wireless charger, and it goes usually up pretty fast. So here we can see that it is charging, and it's showing 1.8 amps, around 10 watts, sometimes even a little bit higher. So you can see, 9.8 watts, pretty high, 9.3, 9.8, somewhere in between that, usually very high. Maybe we can get even a little bit more with the original charger here. So I wanted to show you how this works here. And yeah, it's a foldable one. You can open this thing here. I think that's the maximum here. And but the idea is to put this thing here like the phone. You can put it here so it can support a lot of weight. You don't have to worry that it's not supporting heavy weight. I mean, here I have a rugged phone which is one of the heaviest phones. The problem is only that it's not charging like this. I have a little bit of a problem with this wireless charger, and it's not only a problem with this wireless charger here, it's a problem with a lot of chargers, and it's not working for everything because it's a little bit off center. I don't know where it really is, but it is a little bit off center. So but when I can put it flat down, it's working. Maybe it works when I put it like this. Yeah, it's blinking. You can see it is some kind of malfunction. Maybe it works like this, but it's really a struggle here. Yeah, when I have it like this, now it's working. You can see it goes up again. So it's a little bit a struggle, but it's not a problem with the charger itself. It's a problem with my phone. Don't expect the same problem with any other phones. This is a really a special one, this rugged phone. And yeah, the interesting thing is I want to show you that you have other possibilities. You can use this thing here. You have one wireless charger here, and you have another one here. The problem is just it seems not to work with all the devices. Maybe it will work with Apple devices. Here I have just a normal wireless charging watch, and you can see it doesn't work here. It also doesn't work from the back side. It does not even work when I have it flat on the ground or flat on this plate, but it works on this one here, as you can see. Yeah, now it's showing charge. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's some kind of special Apple, but for me that's definitely enough. I usually don't have more than the watch and the phone, so I can charge both at the same time. You can see it's showing charge here, it's showing blue charge here, and definitely working for me now. It's pulling 10 watts. Really cool if you just want to have one charger and be able to charge both of your devices at the same time. I think this could be a nice thing. So for me it seems to work, and I hope it will work for you too. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.